How much are you getting for airtime sales? 5%, 6% for major providers? I'm Brad from Ring Payment Solutions. I'm here to offer you a new solution to increase your profits on these value-added services. If you are selling more than 15,000 Rand of airtime sales per month, then this presentation is for you. But first, let's have a look at the product that we are talking about.
Well, it's really just so convenient to use.
The Easy Cash Payment System incorporates the latest technology which complies with global security standards.
I love not having to stand in queues or worry about PINs and authorization. It makes life so much easier.
Requiring only 1 square meter of space and a standard 3-prong power outlet, terminals can be installed virtually anywhere, night and day, on the move or in between.
Let's face the facts. You do not earn profit from selling airtime. You most likely pay the cashier more per minute to sell the airtime than the profit it gives you. You keep selling these products for the convenience to your customers and to draw foot count. Ring offers over 13 products. You can earn over 10% of major providers. How does it work? A customer comes to buy 10 Rand airtime, but will be informed that 1 Rand will be a cash handling fee. Thus, only receive 9 Rand airtime. This 1 Rand goes to you as clean profit. Wow, that's 11% of a 9 Rand sale. You still receive a great margin offered on the provider sale as well. So what will this cost you? A once-off installation fee, a minimum stock purchase, which is the float that you sell from, and a monthly service and rental fee. So let's have a look at the profits and benefits of this machine. You get a great margin offering, a cash handling fee that doesn't diminish, save on stock issues, save on resources, and reduces the cash over-counter risk. For more information, please visit our website and apply for a solution.